Here we are, Rico Soul Italia Eats, and today we're going to share with you my method of steaming scallops. Yes, we're going to steam some garlicky, buttery scallops. We're going to share with you the method. It's almost identical to my shrimp video, how I steam shrimp. If you've seen that video, we're going to use the same footage on that to start the video, and you'll get to see how big these scallops are. These scallops are humongous. I have a seafood guy locally. He provides all the casinos there in Atlantic City with their seafood, and dealing with him, I've been dealing with him for years, and you get nothing but great quality, nothing but top-notch quality. And so these scallops are the real deal. Look how beautiful they are there. They are just huge. So we're going to get into this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a chance to use this technique. And so these scallops are just absolutely mouth-watering. So without further ado, let's get into it. We just turned our pot on high, and we're going to steam our scallops with some Miller High Life. Let's open up some cans and let's get this beer in the pot. We're going to add 1 stick of butter to the fray. We're going to add 1 stick of butter to the fray. This here is my crabs and shrimp seasoning that I like to use, like a Maryland style base crab seasoning. And we're also going to use another Maryland base crab seasoning. When they're finished, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top. This here is J.O., one of my favorite seafood seasonings. This here is a 1/4 cup. So we're just going to add this on in. Don't think we need it all. Maybe half of it. That should be enough. Enough for now. We're going to add some garlic powder to the boil. We're going to add a tablespoon. I'm not going to use it all. That should be enough. We're going to add some chopped garlic. Again, we're going to add some chopped garlic. Some chopped garlic to the fray. We got about a tablespoon there. Mix it all in. And now it's doing what it's supposed to do. We'll add another tablespoon. All right, here's the scallops. I just rinsed them off. And now we're going to put them into our little beer, butter, garlic concoction. And we'll let them steam for about 4 to 5 minutes or so. is my crab seasoning. Get this up from a guy in Camden, New Jersey. He's been shelling crabs for years. And you can get crabs from him year round. It's my go-to. He's my go-to guy when it comes to crabs. And once we get them out, we'll top them off with a little bit of JO seasoning, very lightly. All right. This is very powerful, very strong, stronger than Old Bay. And it's like in powder form, as you can see. It's very powdery, so you don't need a whole lot of it. But I think it's better than Old Bay. But we'll top it off with this. But before that, we'll just add a little bit of butter to it, and that'll be our steamed. Scallops. We're just about done. I got to be honest with you. That little concoction of beer, garlic, butter, and my crab seasoning, I tell you what, that concoction is amazing. You literally don't have to put anything on it when you take those out of there. The flavor in that juice is amazing. You could put it in a bottle and just drink it down. It's that good. It's absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so these scallops are going to be wrapping up pretty soon. They're just about done. Yeah, we'll add them to this little bowl here. And after we put them in here, we'll add a little butter. We'll add a little JO. And then that'll be our steamed scallops. And I can't wait. I can't wait. All right, we're turning these off because they are finished. Okay. They are finished. I'm over here behind the scenes drinking that juice from off the spoon. It's just simply amazing. There's our steamed scallops. And these things are going to be full of flavor. They're going to be packed with flavor. My wife kept telling me to save this juice because it's that good. As you see in many of my videos, I always have this on the table. Now you understand why, because it's going right in there. There's our steamed scallops. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little hint of JO seasoning. First, let's mix this butter up. Let's mix it all up, nice and buttery. Now we're going to hit it with the JO just a little bit, just enough to cover the outside of it, not a whole lot. It's very powdery. Then we're going to hit it with a garnish. We're going to hit it with this, some leftover parsley. Here's our scallop dish. Let me tell you something, folks. Like no other. Trust me on this. Let me say it again. Scallops like no other. I'm G-Mo, and I'm gone. Here we are, Rico Soul Italia Eats, and what do we have here? We have G-Mo's world famous steamed scallops. And let me tell you something, folks. You see that juice down there? That juice is drinkable. You would want to bottle it. You would want to bottle it. You would want to bottle it, and you would want to drink it. It's that good. Steamed in beer, butter, garlic, and my special crab seasoning. Oh my. This stuff here is the real deal. It is unbelievable. Recipe, full recipe will be coming out on YouTube very soon. Bon appetit, people. Bon appetit.